Yo, wagwan people, wanna deal it. Today, today we are react to a prank that Razablade did on him best friend RolleySoEasy. So a lot of people on social media talk about that prank. So I'm gonna say, yo, I go watch it. Me never actually watch it yet. I'm say, yo, I go watch it. So there's two parts. So him prank Rolly prank him. This is the first one, so I'm gonna watch it because apparently them are a friend again because of these two videos. Police get involved and be things. So I say, yo, me really want to see what go on. You see me? So without further ado, whatever you call it, when me jump into the prank, you can see. When me turn up the YouTube something. So as you can see from the title, me and your sister are in a secret relationship. Prank on my best friend RolleySoEasy vlogs. Seen? Let's start it and see what happened, man. Come on, let's go.
It wasn't really a relationship, but it was more like a cuddleship.
What?
Let's see what go on.
What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I'm back with a new video. You see the title of the video? So, me now want mind frame right now. Me I try get prepared, even though I already start. Alright, you have to touch the like button for that video. Me no want no less than 5,000 likes because that prank ya, I risk my friendship, entertainment. Me I try give you. Me and Rolly are like best friends since we just meet each other. Instant. Me and Rolly is very alike in a lot of ways. One way, which me know say every good brother should be, we love we sister them endlessly. You see me? We sister them, we don't want them, it hurt them, we try to protect them, we try to be there for them. You know say Rolly love Brits and Bianca and his mother endlessly. Him is a family man. Just like him is a family man. Me a tremble me when I do this. So today my plan is for call him and ask about Brits. Me a pray for make it look like me and Brits did in a little secret relationship. You see it? Before me even start the video, honestly and genuinely, me and her never in a nothing. When me and somebody are best friend, especially best friend, we call each other brothers, me no look on your sister. So me do it in a broship. You see me?
Which is
as
right.
Mr. Brits, me do see sis. Mr. Bianca, me do see sis. Him see my sister, them, I just them bigger brother to them.
So
you see me? And them love him too. Me actually a tremble. As me say, touch the like button because the prank you about to be lit. Me gonna make Rolly feel like me and Brits in a secret relationship.
There's a number of reasons if you're not man a brethren, you're not looking sister. You're not try to dare them sister unless you're really serious about her. And even through that, you don't do that same way. Even if that's the case, you still don't do that because you know when time the thing mash up, then if it mash up with the sister and the man, you know say it I go mash up your friendship with your brethren as well. So I could carry on and see what happened, man. Me not like this, but me react to it still.
Just to make sure this sell, me go call Brits first. Me go call Brits and like give her the heads up. Say, yo, you have to go with it even a little bit. If you still like it, I get too outrageous so you know say you can't go manage it. You can tell him say it's a prank or you might tell him. But we want to catch Rolly because the last time they rehearsal, him do this prank when him fling on my phone. Then him do the acting like a baby prank. And me no answer back. Me no answer back in a long while. So reason never they are going with nothing from where they are. Uncle Angel alone me a prank. Like a Angel alone me have strength for. Even though no know say me have the stick.
Oh, so it look like say Rolly prank him before, but it's been a long time from what him a say. So him a bring it back pan Rolly now and then. But this I want to extreme because phone and sister are two different things, my G.
Me the man at the house, you think a panty me wear? You think a panty me wear? You think a panty me wear? Alright, me I try to get my energy up. So, you know, so when me and Rolly they around each other, it's like two brother, two little pitney. You see me? Even when me I talk to him on the phone, I be a laugh for the conversation. So now I have to go bring it and I have to go make sure say me ain't no skin teeth and still me I keep the prank funny and savage. Me know how to push him button when it comes to him sister them. Yo, if me not get 5,000 likes to this, me not ever do no more prank on YouTube. Cause the prank get risky. Father God, show me a sign if me not do that prank, yeah.
The picture back of you for drop down. The picture back of you for drop down. What else? Light for gone. And beer things for gone, brother. The prank enough for do. Yeah, the man a friend, the prank enough for do. Certain line you know cross, brother. But it depends on the person we are prank also.
Even if it is a little pew.
Drop down the picture back of him.
Well, me not hear nothing, you know. Sis?
Hello?
Ritz?
Yeah?
A razor? How are you going?
No.
Me there, you busy?
Not really, why?
Yo, me need your help.
Well,
Me just hope you can help me out.
with?
Alright, I want to prank Rolly idea.
Say what?
Light too bright on my face. Turn it down a little bit.
I'm going to tell him, say, like, I kind of did like you, I mean, something secret, but you don't have to do nothing. We just need, like, if he come and ask you, you know about that chicken out. Just them say, me never want to tell you or something like that.
You want to really kill me?
And the same thing with the afraid. No, but if it ever reach so far where it ever be no madness like that, you can just tell me say it's a prank. But I want like see if him overreact.
So I'm supposed to like try getting on camera or something?
Yeah, that would have been it too. I don't know. Here, I don't know if you can really go set up that, but what I want definitely, you see, if you come in and start me no organize or question you, if I ever feel just call me on FaceTime or something, for that we can at least hear where I must say. You see me, if he hang up or whatever.
Brits, you are wicked too. Brits, you are wicked too. You know why you are wicked? You know how your brother stay, Brits. You are wicked. Brits, you are wicked. You plan up with your brother best friend for prank your brother. And you know your brother love you like that. One of my sisters them do that. Straight headlock and punching her head. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, straight headlock and punching her head. Boom, 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 boom. You can't be doing that, bro. You can't be doing that, sis. Like, that's messed up. Yo, I'm nervous. I'm nervous I watch that video. Because I see a big uproar on it on social media. And I'm the first time I watch it. Maybe that play a part into me being nervous also. Continue and see what's going on, man.
Yeah, so mother, if you can set up in camera, good. But if you could have called me, anything you can do for me, hear him say to you, if he say nothing to you, you see me, mother need it, because I want to pull off that prank.
Alright, then I can
Watch him face too.
and try to set it up first. And if that no work, more FaceTime.
Alright, just set it up in your room and just stay there. Because I'm going to call him after this, right now, but they are sweating. I want to pull it. What? I'm going to probably see me can call him now, like we say him no did it, which means that if you come in, you probably are coming in vex. Just don't chicken out. Rolly not going to kill you, but if you reach that close, you can.
Don't chicken out. Him not gonna kill you. What is him say?
Him say, yo, ask me about it.
Don't chicken out. Him not gonna kill you. Don't chicken out. Him not gonna kill you. But him not gonna beat you. Him not gonna drop like your kin. Him not gonna give you pie, rat-a-tie-tie. Like, yo.
Whatever. Isn't it? So you can't back on the number. Yeah? So well, I know before that, you not have to even set him say, yeah, we there, nothing like that. You can't just say, like you don't want to tell him, like you did afraid to tell him. So meaning say you not really admit me do them the part there. You see me? Because I don't want to kill you before you don't talk.
You don't want him kill you before you don't talk. So him know how Rolly stay. I know say Rolly we can try to head like on pie. This same way like me that though. To one of my sister them set up me with my best friend. Even though my best friend wouldn't try that. My best friend wouldn't try that still. Well, I hope not.
Alright, sis. Alright. I'm glad Angel not there right now, you know, because she would have said, no, babe, I mean, no want no good influence in my head right now. I want some pew-pew in the comments, man. Pew-pew in the comments, man.
More here. How am I gonna break this to him brethren and where him brethren I gonna say still? Me really want here, even though I'm nervous. Me nervous. Me nervous. Me nervous.
You have reached.
Ah, voicemail.
I'm kind of glad say him no answer because I'm nervous.
You have reached the mailbox off. Rolling not answer yo, cause I know him I go prank him. Let me take a sip.
Yo.
Yo, I'm still Miss Kaji. I'm going to be up on the run.
When you reach back in,
No, I'm still reach back in. I'll go on.
I see me there reason with your boat, but I don't know if I can talk now.
Yeah, I can't deal with man. Somebody can set up something. I'll go on.
Oh, you're saying that they inside?
But like they, no, I'm still go. Whoa. I'm still jump on a cab. But yeah.
Yo, may I get hot? Well, I can't answer my fan. May I get hot? Me just turn it on. So that is what the era a blow you know. Turn it down a little bit. Cause may I get hot just by even watching. Yo, that part. Oh God, dog. Why y'all do this, brother? Like, why y'all do this, dog? This don't make no sense, brother. Let's go.
Look for one thing right now.
Oh, so probably you can't go help me anyway still. I breathed me and her there reason last night, but she never did reply. Somebody got access if you just link her if you see what I go on, but alright.
My phone hours.
No, I don't think so, you know. I saw me and her there reason, but it look like yo, I feel like me just want we should do when I just make a gear phone, you see me?
So, you're not take time, she not answer.
No, man, I there reason about something, but it look like she just get vexed and go sleep.
Why should I get vexed?
It's a long story, dog, but we don't even want.
Where's the door?
Huh?
Where's the door?
I don't really what me say now, what me nah say, and it's like she has some not bombard.
Don't do it, brother. Not do it. Why y'all gonna do that? Me nervous.
I don't know if that conversation I feel that.
Why you so hesitant to raise around?
Alright, I'm just come out with it. Basically she has some spend no time, give her my time like that again.
As a brother, how the rat
Well, if I did like as a brother still, you see me, but
as a brother, you're him, but as a brother.
Show me can't just stop.
Him mind clicking up, but him no one believe that, you know, as a brother, how are the rust is? Rolly, you know that.
Talk to her straight. You can't just get her phone and go in.
Why the rat hit?
Yeah, see it?
You can't say something to me when you don't say to her.
See it? Him know.
Alright,
Him
bro.
know,
As
of
my
course
brother
him
still,
know.
he's like,
As my brother still.
alright. You sure you're free, you can talk?
Just, stop this my youth. No, look, man, that like, what I'm here, dog? Lady, stop looking at my mouth now. Are you in conversation?
Me nervous, see him way, even when me laugh. The man say, lady, stop looking at my mouth now. Are you in conversation? Hold on, let me go back.
What's here, dog? Lady, stop looking at my mouth now. Are you in conversation? Wait a minute.
Am I getting vexed?
What I'm here?
Alright.
You sound so hesitant.
I don't really hesitate.
Yeah, man, get vexed enough.
Alright, we're straightforward like ball game. Alright, so basically, back few months ago, it's like we have a little thing going on, you see me?
What?
A little thing going on.
Thing like what? Little thing like what? What you talking? What?
It wasn't really a relationship, but it was more like a cuddleship.
What? What? It wasn't a relationship, it was a cuddleship. Lady, stop looking at my mouth now. Your conversation. I'm nervous.
Yes, I have to come. What?
Yeah, hear me, Arab. Awa.
No, I'm not hear you. Of course, I'm not hear you.
Alright, so
I'm not hear you, I say.
it was like me and her did have a little.
No, we have to go relationship, man. It's just like what you. We have to.
It just a register. What really go on? Your sister wicked, brother. Video still young. We have the next 20 minutes. Let's go.
No, me I say it wasn't really far as a relationship, but more like a cuddleship.
What kind of cuddleship? What's a cuddleship?
Alright, so me and her did agree, so because me and you so close as a brother, me and her are not gonna really do nothing, but it's like.
Do not like what, Razor? We are talking about. Talk to me straight right now.
Alright.
Baby, stop looking at my bum. I want to see how man. Razor, talk to me quick, you know, my you.
You might get mad from the lady with every side of him, you know, dog. I'm nervous.
Alright.
Baby, stop looking at my bum. I want to see how man. Razor, talk to me quick, you know, my you.
Alright, it's like me and her did like each other.
Like what? Like what? She take you as a brother, my you. What do you mean?
Yeah, of course I'm a sis, you see me, but it came down to a point where
Came down to what? What you talking about? Mama go outside, you know. Yo, woman, you want a man? You them people, yo, Razor, talk fast, you know. That's
Yo.
on my head.
You want a man?
Fast, you know.
You want a man?
That's on my head.
You want a man?
What you ask this woman?
alright, basically we end up in a little thing, but she knows say
Little
me.
thing like what? Little thing like what? I can't we ask this woman, me think you ask this woman that. I don't mean to. It's like me I try, you see me?
Much I dissect everything.
And I speak out what you ask them. Because I be a dirt.
Alright, basically me and Brits did have a relationship, dog. I just that.
What the fuck? What?
Me and her did have a little relationship, is it?
Gosh.
Why are you?
Yo. You just mash up the man day, the man, no. In second, in minute, in hour, in day, in week, in month, in year. What come after year? Decade and century.
Your mama teach you. Stop the foolishness in that.
Dog, I true, you tell me if you stop growing corner, so I just tell you straight, is it?
Why you? You know I'm gonna play them level, though.
Yeah, dog, but you don't know, that's something.
Yo. Razor. You know I'm gonna play them level, though.
Yeah, dog, but.
Talk, talks to. What you ask them?
So, me and her never.
People with the words them to you, see me I say. You know some men never have a follow. Yo, Mike, don't mama teach you. What you say a while ago?
But I don't want to repeat no into me, I go follow out, dog.
Razor.
Razor, you shouldn't.
Why you?
Razor, you shouldn't do this, dog.
Razor. Stop.
Me and her.
Be careful with the words. Be careful with your fucking words, dog. What you say?
Careful with the
Me
words,
and her never
boy.
really did reach. I don't want to tell you, dog.
Why you tell my little sister you talk with? Remember that, hear that?
Yeah,
If
dog.
anything for me, you know that. What you tell me? All along when my sister take care of where that your eyes are, that you tell me?
Dog, it wasn't really.
No, me I ask you about that, you tell me. No.
It wasn't really a one-way
Dude,
thing.
my youth, you know say she take care of your brother. So that mean I push, I bring it in, I'm over see your eyes, my sister. No, you tell me, say, oh no, where's the talk to me?
Dog, man, nah, I
My
just.
youth, dog.
Yo. Rolly, you hear what the man has said. What you mean talk to you straight? It's like, you might tell you but you know and believe. Yeah, me know it's a prank. I know it's a prank, right? But the man I tell you, and it's like, you know and believe, dog. Like, what you want the man say, dog? The man I try to put it in all different memes and ways and words and as well Vegas said, I say meme and all these things, dog. And you not figure what the man I said, G. Like, really, bro, God?
No, make sure that true you tell me. Coming out
And then
You come like that.
that's something I need to bring up because we never reach far night. It's just that.
Reach far with what? Reach far with what you tell my dog? What you tell mama you? Eh?
Serious, dog.
Youth. A real thing you talk about?
Dog, yes, I'm if stop going on your dog. Somebody start tell you the truth, brother to brother. No, bro.
Don't come on a bro neither. You hear that?
It's serious, dog.
You never hear it from sheep too. Listen.
You know what I'm
You bring it on my house, my youth. Say, your eyes and then you talk about cuddle and relation.
But you not hear the full story. I know me alone.
I'm fucking here where you have to say you. That alone, man, I tell you. You hear that?
Take it serious enough.
I got cut. I don't need to go home, yeah.
Yo, like, whenever they reach far, you know, somebody I think say that cool for no, so at least we stop.
They have a ear, they have a bump buckle and get there, dog. You know, that place, I'm going to go there.
No, dog, I never have a
No,
aim.
hold on, you know.
Yo, roll me feel up here, brother.
Really, ever so makes to backside. Hold on. We take him out from you.
Hello.
Yeah.
What the fuck you tell me now, Razor?
Man, tell you already,
Yeah,
dog.
man,
Where you
tell
keep
you.
asking?
Quick, you know.
It wasn't.
No, talk quick, you know, my youth. Because remember, some man know where you living at that. A part of this, you know. If you never know, you know. What boundaries, youth? Y'all are my brother, my youth. My blood dog. Far from friend, my youth. I'm not call friend, youth. And you tell me, say, yeah, my youth, don't want to come step in your head, youth.
Straight.
Dog, sorry, badness really a push dog. I mean, I could have must be brother-in-law.
My time of family. You didn't know this?
Yeah,
You
dog.
know, you have a little sister.
Yeah, dog. I know we take them
And you
things.
know that if I put her in there and it's for protect her, right?
Yeah,
of course.
Put your left bar around her, right? And you have to say, the left bar around her, your eyes are. My coming from a...
Dog, it was the same your eyes are. Yo! Yo,
Dog.
hold on, let me get the phone.
Dog.
Yo, man,
This one of the most uncomfortablest video I go react to. I hope. This make me feel a way like come hear the pain in a rolling voice, bro. If your brethren do that to you, with the sister we love so much, and I like to say the man love him sister in the dog. The man love him sister, brother, like a sister. You see me when him grow dog, and you gotta tell the man them something, you know. Where you feel like I go on. You hear the man say, don't make me step in the head, dog, and I feel every word of the man say, dog.
I like. And the first me ever so nervous when me I talk to Rolly to boom.
Let me take a sip, let me take a sip, because my engine I run pan E, you know, you know?
Alright, first thing first, before me even try ringing back my call Brits. Nah, this take a turn I didn't even need expect. But in there I get 9 feelings there. Hold on. Where Brits gone?
Brits are wicked too.
Yeah?
Sis,
Yeah?
him call you? Yo, I never hear RolleySoEasy in my life.
Let me say.
The man say, yo, you know say me and your brother do, I could have left my sister round your door. You see it? The man say, you know, my little sister the whole time, yeah, eyes my sis. I me tell him to know, I say, yo, me ain't anybody really agree for a relationship. It little lower than that, like a little cuddleship. You see from me say that? But could say nothing, the man just go. The man in our story, man, come out. The man a cuss out one woman, me like him a cuss me. The man say, yo, you know really not to cuss bad words. Man say, yo, you know what? Boom, hang up the phone. So me a try call you, for hear if he call you, but him say him have to go confront you when him come home.
Well, let him still come home.
You know,
You never asked him when the first.
No, him never asked.
Same day on the road,
Same
man.
day.
Same soon forward.
I don't know. Yo, you have to go and keep it cool, you know. I have to see a little. If I ever want a video clip or even want a voice or what, my office is something. Because I'm going to tell him
Yeah,
say prank after, but I'm not going to make it go too far, here.
Alright.
Alright. Let me just call him back and ask me if he's cool down, you see it?
Man not gonna answer you. Come me not answer you now. I block you already, you know. Yeah, man, block you already, man. Cement.
You have reached
Yeah, man.
the
No answer him,
voicemail
man.
box.
Don't answer him. Don't answer him.
Yo. I have to laugh for the situation, alright? So people in the hear Brit say, when him reach in, she gonna text me. One, she set up the camera. If you can't set up the camera, I need a FaceTime call or even normal call for ear. Cause him not take my call him. When I call Trish and ask Trish say, if you tell her really for sure, but
Yeah, you get to know, brother. You know
Yo.
what I'm saying? The one go hard, dog.
hey sis, what going? You good? Yeah, you sound surprised. May I call up our work time? oh.
You never know.
Me want you to call Rolly and I tell him if he show me. Oh. Alright then, just link him and tell him to raise us if he show it him, yeah? And just call me back if you get to him. Alright. Nah, tell sis say, yo.
Yo, that video have been all different type of emotion, dog. Why I got me vex? When it start me uncomfortable, then when certain things happen, me I laugh after him. And then when Rolly start get vexed, me I get vexed too. Me I get vexed too, dog. Me I get vexed too. Then now, him call the next sister, Trish, me I laugh too because I want to say no, him no want to tell her. You see me? That mean all different, mean all different, yo, me hot, me cold, me warm, me lukewarm, me lukewarm, something named lukewarm, me lukewarm.
Alright, me I go and edit my video, me, and as soon as the phone ring, I'm gonna get the update. Alright, people, so I did here, eat some food, and then Brits just text me, and I say, him reach for me. Brits text me back. Brits say him laying at the house, him come and ask her if me and her did communicate. Him out there.
So Brits, this is how wicked Brits is. Brits call Razablade on FaceTime now, you know. Brits call Razor on FaceTime now. Razor got screen record, or Brits a screen record just so. Razor a screen record because him is smaller. So Razor a screen record this. You know.
Yeah.
But still look cool.
You set up your camera?
No, because we did the class and then just pop up.
Oh, I didn't pop up. Alright, you have to go. Shoot. You can't get in camera?
Did in that room at the time to my door.
Oh, him a do one prank?
I was on it.
Oh, okay, shoot. Oh, my talk, but I don't want this try for him prank. He might do a prank for somebody.
Oh, ironic. Me no look cool again. Me feel a bit better now. Cause he might prank somebody now. He's pranking somebody. So, ironic. They are pranksters. These guys are pranksters. So, me not too feel now, yeah, no. Me kind of feel how you still, but me confused, yeah, man. Let's go.
But I want him to hear you answer phone and I say, yes, Razor, that's all. Yeah, me don't want you bother him. Alright, me don't know how long him gonna take. You want to wait? Alright, check.
She a wicked, you know? She a wicked, little girl, they are wicked.
You want better then? Wait.
Yeah, might do a video.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, wait, and just ring me back. Rolly end up a prank somebody else, right, as we speak. So, I don't want nobody spoil him prank. As soon as him done what him do, whatever him do, him have to get back in his feelings now. So you see, we have people that work from the inside.
Yeah, they're wicked.
All
Yo,
right,
that video
so
long still.
we just really
People, I'm sorry for the length of this video. It's already like nearly over 30 minutes. So I'm sorry for the length of it.
come back. But by the time
it's gonna be a long video.
on, so
Sorry.
come on the camera and everything, him hang up. So may I try call him back?
What am I calling now? Roll here, R the sister.
Yo.
Yo, nobody come yo me in a youth.
What you say?
No, Sibrit's here. You see me? Sibrit and here.
Oh yeah, let me talk to her now. Alright, put her now.
Razor, hear me I say. You know, say she just a tell me say you're pushing yourself back.
Sure, I know that.
Eh?
Sure, I know. I just say reach, you know.
What you mean? Eh?
I just say reach, you know.
Razor. I'm little sister, you know that she take it for your brother?
You may know, say, you see me, but you don't know, I
So
look.
we are tell Brit. Stop.
I never poured. I just like you 1 year.
Brits, me not trust. Hey. Them gyal are wicked, them wicked. Them gyal are wicked, them wicked. Me no know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but I me know them gyal are wicked. Yo, Razablade.
Yeah, me, no, me know you what she say, you know?
She say you force yourself on her, my youth.
So I know it was just like a little I like you, not more than that, of course.
What kind of highlight, Razor? My youth. You know, say.
Yo, hold on. Let me ring it.
Yeah, I ring him back. Courtesy of credit.
Then I will call up.
First
I
time.
forget some video footage for the people.
Man, not answer, you know.
I forget some video footage for them.
Man, no answer you, dog.
They seem fake.
Call Brits.
So why man sit down and I look so?
Them there, I can't see. Them there.
You want me to tell him what go on?
I have nothing to tell you. I know what you have to say.
Oh shoot. But may I tell him say yo we kinda did lower for that, so it's like you know have a big again, you see me?
So, for what? Like, not really never did it for what?
Exactly, so show let me see him, because I not see him. Watch your monster.
I was gonna tell him it's a prank.
You know what? Alright, you want me to just tell him the last thing, you know?
Bombay, watch your man.
I want you to see you. Watch out for me, hear that? Watch out for me. And that alone, may I tell you. Hear that? Yo, just watch out for me. That alone, may I tell you.
Watch your man. Yo,
May I
calm
tell you this?
down.
No explanation. You see? Hear that? Just know say you cut deep, here.
Jesus Christ, man, leave now, listen me, yo.
Me get Luke Cole again. Look on the man eyes them. Look on the man eyes. You hear the man say, this member say you cut deep. That deep, if somebody said that to you, you know. That deep, you know. Look on the man eyes them, Brechin.
And you did it looking at my face like it's alright, man.
Then you know, what you want me to do? You want me to jump in
You
phone?
never dead front of me right now.
Brother, you don't want me to look on the phone then? Brits, you can take your phone, Brits. Why you give me the phone? Take back your phone, Brits.
What you mean? Why am I talking about it?
Me give you the phone, so obviously I'm not
I feel it, brother.
General style, right? Yo, what me say? What me say? What me go say?
Man want kill you.
Brits.
You don't call my sister name. You hear that? That's alone me, I tell you. Man, not even want to do this front door to my youth. Yeah.
One thing with him respect him sister. The man said, me never want do this front door. The man them say him want do this front door, dog. Look like him has been a father figure in our life like that. Like yo, you're my little sister, you're under my wing. Forward. You see me? Anything you need, just ask me. Them type of relationship, it seems like him and her now. Let's go.
My youth, you see when me see a youth, don't come round here so again. Hear me I say? That alone me I tell you. My man trust you dog. Run up, my man accept I'm a family youth. If they never know. Hope I can clean a fingernail on my seal. That
Yeah,
alone.
the man.
You hear me I say?
Man, hang up. Once I hope I can clean the finger, let me see it,
Why
yeah?
people when him say cut deep, me feel it.
Me not feel it too, man.
I could have tell him say a prank because me I do this soon. Look at the man. A 5,000 likes more. Hey, more 10,000 likes to the prank, yeah. 10,000 likes to the prank, yeah. Cause I'll check me get.
Yeah, shaggy, dog.
Me nervous too.
Yeah, shaggy. I like him video still. I like him video still, but I'm a shaggy. As a YouTuber, I know what liking the video means. When you like a person's video, it send YouTube a signal. Say, listen. Basically, wait though. It send YouTube a signal so YouTube help you push your video. That it do. It make your video available to a wider range. Like it comes on a recommendation. You see me? That's all it means really. But yeah, liking the video, it really help a YouTuber. Me like your video still, dog. But sorry for the bad word. That's shaggy though.
Yo, I forgot to call him back. I forgot to call him back. I forgot to tell him say a prank, you know.
Don't answer, man. Now me see why the friendship broke up. All of our social media, the biggest thing.
No, I call him straight, but I call him on WhatsApp. I call him straight. Boom, story man vex, you know.
Me not answer you neither. Who would answer you? Shagriado. And it's such a long prank as well. Such a long prank, brother. Like, yo, a Shagriado, dog. Me hot and cold, me feel it, man. No answer you, dog. Me surprised say he no block you yet still. Me surprised say he no block you off him phone because you call him too much now. And right now he made that thing, dog. So me surprised say when you go check him, just bring a pastor with you, dog, or a police or something, or a MP or something, dog. Cause the man go kill you. The man go kill you, man.
I call back Brits car. It lands at the backside. It's like my brain slow down to backside. I feel laugh, yo. When I'm nervous, I laugh. Sorry about that.
Brits can't take the car from another. Brits can't take the car from you.
Hello?
Brits,
Hmm?
you good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Him not doing nothing.
No?
How him do now?
Nanny?
Him calm down?
You're the man of calm down, like really?
Alright. Thanks, yeah. You now have to say nothing more here. Make a try see if we can link him out. Alright. Jesus Christ. Look at yo. Alright, try see if you can talk to him and let me know what's going on. Yeah, tell him say a prank. Yeah, you can. If you don't want, you're not happy, but just tell him say a prank, make him know say what. I joke.
Man, like him one ball. Your sister say. She say one ball.
Never see Rolly look at this yet. Drink some more that.
Drink some more.
People, I push the prank here for
the limit.
Uno. I push the prank here for Uno. Give me some likes to that prank here, because if I do this prank and nobody no view it, nobody no like it, nobody no comment, I do this for nothing. I'm not do this for nothing. I risk it. Right now, I'm not take no call. Jesus Christ. Let me try to call him one more time.
Load the man, dog. Load the man, bro. What y'all call the man again for? Load the man, my youth. You the man not take the car from your brother? Load the man, dog. That get me agitated to dog.
You have reached
What man?
mailbox of
What for the man phone?
one.
Video I got done, you know. People, I'm sorry, but this was a long video. And I'm sorry about that. What is I go? This was a long video, and I'm really sorry about that. So, like 40 minutes long. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna go straight to the next one. I'm gonna start this and go straight to the because apparently Rolly prank him Razablade back. So I'm gonna see what I go on the prank there. So guys, if you like the content, please like the video. This was a very cringing video for me to watch. It wasn't funny. Some bits was funny, I did laugh. But it just hurt me. It hurt me. You see me? But as a reaction, I'm just giving my honest reaction, like as if the camera wasn't rolling. Some mistake, you see me? So I'll see you guys in the next one, yeah? Look out for part 2 after this. Peace.